Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henne kasi kasiphotre ujamang. Meghalaya Board of School Education kalapan bana yaki result. Jongki artli ki subject jongki samla pule class 12. Kata ki bapule ka science but commerce stream. Haka higher secondary school living certificate. Haba pasha ka result jongki subject science. Ki balai kon yaki examen mentaus nam haka regular kiladan lai hajar lai spa khandai ngot baro. Bakan top yaki 6,000 san spa nyup sangot kishen rang bat kambon ki deki kentai ki badan 6,000 nyup spa khandai sangot baro. Na kishen rang ki bala pas ki examen ki don 6,000 spa lai pu arngon kat bana ki kentai pan ki ba pas ki long 6,000 lai spa san pu sangon. Tada ken kelom lang kentai bat chen rang na ki ba pas kalong 9.0% na pedang kita ki bayakon haka non regular pan haka subject science hi ki balai kon haka ni examen ki don spa khandai pu sangot baro. Bat nakine na pedang kishen rang ki bala pas ki don 100% ngon kat bana ki kentai pat prapuai ngon. Nakini baro ki bala pas ki examen class 12 science ki balayo banrong haka top jong ka first top 10 positions kila don khat arngot baro. Bat nakini baro hadu khatwai ngot ki dai tang na po ka school St. Anhony'S Higher Secondary School Shillong. Light no tang iwe na po Don Bosco College Higher Secondary section Tura. Bat usamla obaladan haka kedan ke bahkli do na pedang kini ki khat arngot udai ureshef das na po St. Anhony'S Higher Secondary School Shillong. Haba phai pat cheki samla ki balai khon ya class 12 haka subject commerce mentaus nam haka regular kiladan 4,000 ngot baro. Bakan top ya kishi hajar arspa lai parangot kishen rang bat praspa nyongot ki kentai. Bat nakine baro ki bapas na kishen rang kilong khandai spa anrup khandai ngon kat ba na ki kentai pat ki bapas kilong nyo spa kan nyongon. Kabala da ken kelom lang kentai bat chen rang na ki bapas kalong prapu ar point saw%. Na pedang ki bay kon haka non regular pan haka subject commerce hi ki balai kon ki dan arspa san pu ar ngot baro. Bat nakine na kishen rang ki bala pas ki don si spa nyongon bat naki kentai pat saw puai ngon. Na pedang kini baro ro ki bala pas ya ke examen class 12 commerce ki bala yo banrong haka top jong ka first top 10 positions kila dan khat ar ngot baro. Bat usamla baladan haka kerdan bahkli do na pedang kini ki khat ar ngon udai usamla chong dai nam goitena na po ka St. Anhony'S Higher Secondary School Shillong.
Teman ikong ay keburam siya play keburam berarti siya play ini kami play tempai ini kepaar pat long email jonga kami jonga teacher sa school burak kani kalau teamwork di tengah jonga tengah lagi ngamla dari kan di cerita play ke teamwork di dari kalau kau tahu ada fi don ka purpose and life dari ka kam fi kwa ber chief ka ta pila ber fi dia don ka da ka e fi dia ni kau ber on ka jing start ka on record di ka habit fi dia belong ka habit kita ka fikir dan fikir senat create step kim step min kalau ka habit fi develop ka habit fi pila ber kalau man kasih ke da fi dia ka ta fi so ka develop ka thong janga mata ke kadang mentah ada model ini di universiti pun betip ya katakan bangan wad dengan thong komga long stola nya dapat tip mentah tip ha long hadir kuat oleh kita universiti bangan lap ke ibang kuat.
A whole lot of mentors to start with, of course, the teachers, not just these teachers, all teachers, right from the beginning, right from nursery to class 12. Teachers have helped me. They've always been by my side. They've inspired me. That's the greatest thing. They've inspired me to strive ahead, and that's what's most important. As a teacher, you further your students' interests in a subject, and that's what I think is the biggest credit I can give to the teachers. They have really done that. They've furthered my desire to learn the subjects, and I'm just so grateful to all of my teachers. There was no regularity in terms of how much time I spent each day, but it was mostly driven by my interest in the subject. So let's say, suppose if I'm doing maths, I get an interest in the subject. So I spent a few more hours. It was mainly driven by passion. I was not into it in terms of course, yeah, that's not a very good thing not to be disciplined, but yeah, that's how I went ahead with my subjects. I was not very regular.
And we always reap the good harvest. For past many years, you must have noticed, science stream as well as commerce stream has been doing pretty well. Almost every year we are in the rank list, and most often we top the rank list. Right from the first rank to the 10th rank, we are always there. And I would consider this as God's blessing, because we have such candidates who put their effort, their learnings, and they apply their learnings daily. And therefore we have this result every year. Year after year, we shine in Anhony'S, in state of Meghalaya. And there is good cooperation among teachers, amongst parents, among the students, and there is much of sharing and guidance given. Whenever we have the examinations, we always declare the result in front of the public, in the sense in front of the students. So the others also inspired to work hard all the more. So we tell them the highest marks obtained, the total marks obtained, everything, and that gives them the boost, the energy to work all the more harder. And these students are not very, as we may say, that cream students, but they're groomed well over the years. And when they turn to perform well, they perform well. Be it in the field of studies, be it in the field of games and extracurricular activities, we are there always at the top in the state level here, most probably even in Northeast. And therefore I'm very proud of my students, both boys and girls. I'm proud of my teachers, and I'm also happy to associate with the parents. And they make a visit here, they come and they share their opinions, their views. That's how we are being corrected. At the same time, we improve ourselves. So once again, I'm pleased to have this great result in our school, both in the science and commerce stream. And we'll continue to do so. We'll continue to produce good, learned men and women in the society as we carry out the vision of Don Bosco. We are meant for the youth, and we'll there till the end of our life working for the youth, and mainly for the poor and the abandoned. And therefore we also have started evening section, and this year the first time they're going to appear in the arts stream, and we hope to have good results even in the arts and even in class 10.